Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to trade boom and crash for long using this strategy part 2. Okay, we actually did the part 2 of this particular video in my last video, so if you missed that, kindly go back to the channel to watch that. Okay, this is the video, it is the part 1, so you can go back there to watch it. Okay, if you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel. I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. Okay, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab some few tips there, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first before going on your live account. Okay, this is very important. And if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen right now, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. Also, if you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, quickly before we go into what we have for today, okay, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market. Just as you know, Qora Digital Cash is meant for the forex market. I'll be showing you how you can make some money for yourself in the forex market using different strategy. That is why I have created several videos on the channel that you can watch and get started. They can help you to get started immediately, so you can watch them, practice and perfect your skill first before you go live with any one of them. So let's quickly check out what is happening in the market. So I'll be starting with boom 1000 using the signal indicator. Okay, the indicator I'm using here is the signal indicator, and this is the way it looks like at the moment. You can see that the market is on this support level around here. It is the support level around there, and ever since it's been going up, and it has gotten up to this level, which is a major resistance level. So let's see if it will break this support level. If it breaks it, then we are likely to have a downtrend from there, and probably should be getting to this level, if not this level, before reversing totally. Okay, so let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, I will be using the signal, the crusher indicator for crash 1000, and at the moment crash 1000 is also on uptrend. We can see we got a buy signal here, but got confirmed somewhere here, and it's been going up since then. And you can see this actually gave us 90-minute candles, and we had a few drop down here, but if you should look at it, we got another buy signal here, but got confirmed here, and this has actually given us 13-minute candles, which is amazing. Okay, so if you apply this strategy, the rules guiding each of these indicators, whichever one you are having, then you should be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. So I will be using the NT indicator for this, and this is 5-minute time frame. Just the way you know the NT indicator, it deals with the colors. Okay, the colors will help us to know the trend of the market. You can see if it is in blue, it will be in uptrend, and as you can see, it's going up around there, and if it is yellow, it will be in downtrend, and that is why you see it going down around there. But at the moment, you can see we just got our yellow ball, which means that it is going on a downtrend, and we got our entry point signal here, and it's been going down since then. So if you are patient enough, then you will be able to use it to reap the market successfully. So finally, let's check out what is happening with crash 500, and we'll be using the signal indicator for this. At the moment, crash 500 is on downtrend, and if you should check it out, it's been on downtrend from here, from this resistance level, and it's been going down, and it is still going down. So if you are the type that love buying, stay away from the market at the moment. Wait for the trend of the market to change. You can see the lines are yellow, the line is yellow, so let it change to blue. Then let's see if it can break that line upward, and if that happens, then you should know that it is going back on uptrend at that particular time. So I'll be stopping there with the analysis. I'll remember before going fully into this video, into what we have for today. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen right now, and I'll be dropping them in the description box. And also if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. And this is what we have for today. Actually, it is the continuation of what we did yesterday. Okay, yesterday so many people were happy after the video because they were able to see when to come in and trade for long. But today you will be surprised how long you can actually be in the market. Okay, even when spikes are happening, you will know how to handle the situation and take full control of the situation. So I'm going to show you everything. I just want you to sit tight, pick up your notes, and also pick up your pen, and I'll take notes of some of these things. Watch the video over and over and practice it on your demo account. Set up your chart just the way I will be setting it up in today's video, and see how far you can go with it. Try it out on your demo account so that you will see how if this is true or not, and you will be able to ask your question before trying it out with your real account. So let's go to the trading platform to see how to go about it. Okay, let me quickly see the one we'll be looking at. I'm going to show you what we should look out for before you go into such trade. Okay, very good. I think I'm having a good one here. Okay, just that before this, the first thing you should look out for is this third indicator window. Okay, once you're having a drop down, this is for boom. Okay, remember whatever I'm explaining for boom will be the opposite is that of crash. Okay, so please take note of that. Okay, once you're having a drop down arrow for boom, because we are actually selling boom, once you're having a drop down arrow on the third indicator window here, then once you start seeing the reds, then you should know that it is time for you to trade. Then you can now come in on this. Once you get a sell here, you can now come in. Do you know that you can actually trade from there, from this level? Let me show you this. I would love to see where the okay, I'm coming. Okay, let me still use this as an example. You can actually trade from here and be in the market for a very long time. We got a sell arrow here. Okay, so let me just highlight a few points here just to identify this. This is where the cardinal point is. Okay, so this is where the entry point is. So when are you to exit? You exit when this uptrend arrow actually came out, as in where the uptrend arrow is coming out from. That is when you should exit. Okay, in between that period and your exit period, it is possible to have some spikes in between. It is even possible for it to go above where you came in from, but it will definitely take you back to cool profit. You can imagine the number of candles created here, although the trade didn't start from here, but I'm going to come up with a very good example of this. This is actually more than 90-minute candles. That is, it is about 1 hour 30 minutes, even more. Can you imagine that? So this is amazing. This is amazing. So let's try to let me check crash 1000 if I'll be able to get the beginning of the trend. Sorry. Okay, I'm coming. I just want to show you the beginning of, okay, very good, very good, very good. This is better. Okay, for crash 1000, like I said, the opposite of boom is crash. Okay, if it is going down in boom, then it will be going up in crash. Okay, for crash 1000, that means we are buying, right? Yeah, we are buying. Okay, so you want to buy right from the beginning of the trend. So what you should look out for is, you can see it was on downtrend before. If you should check the third indicator window, the bars there were red, but immediately you see an uptrend arrow like this on the yellow line, then you should be getting ready to go into the trade. Okay, I want you to take note of that. I said getting ready. I'm not saying you should jump into the trade immediately and wait for the green bars to start showing. Once the green bars are now showing, then I'll wait for the signal here. Once you have gotten your buy signal here, then you can come in. So let's try to highlight a few things here so that you will understand where to come in from. Okay, let's say you decide to come in here where the arrow came out from, here exactly where the uptrend arrow came out from. And let me also highlight this just to pick up that particular candle that it came out on. Okay, this is where the 4 cardinal point is. So this is the candle. Okay, so far this plays you can still have your green here, then you are safe to be in the market. Okay, so check it out. It went up, crashed down, you can still remain in the market. Went up again, crashed down, went up again, crashed down. I want it to crash down totally. Okay, as you can see, it keeps on going up and crashing down, going up and crashing down. But just the way it is going up and crashing down, it has not crashed down to the level where your entry point is, even if it gets there. So far you are still having your green section here. It will still take you back to profit once you are yet to see this arrow. You can see this drop down arrow. This drop down arrow means that it will soon start going to, it will soon start a downtrend journey. Okay, it will be crashing. It will be giving repeated crashing very soon. Okay, so once you see this exit arrow, this drop down arrow, then you should know that you should exit the market immediately. You should know that you should exit the market immediately. So this is where you should exit the market. This is where you should exit the market. So you can see that you can be in the market for a very long period. Can you imagine coming in here and closing your trade here? That is, you can only achieve this if you follow the rules. The first thing I ask you to do is to check the QDC trend scraper, okay, which is the one in the third indicator window. For boom, it must give you a drop down arrow. For crash, it must give you an uptrend arrow. Okay, so you can see we got our uptrend arrow here, but that uptrend arrow is telling you to get ready to trade. Okay, it's not telling you to jump into the trade. It is telling you to get ready to trade. It is possible, if it is not yet stable or confirmed, it is possible for it to be shifting and shifting. It is not yet giving you a go ahead to trade, just telling you to prepare yourself to trade. Once you start seeing the green bar appearing, then you can now come in and trade, but that is after having a buy signal on the main chart, which is the first indicator window. Okay, so you can now come in there and trade and place your order. Okay, you can leave your order for a very long time, as long as so far this place, this area, this section is still green. Okay, you can leave it for a very long time, till you get this drop down arrow. Okay, till you get this drop down arrow. Very soon you will start seeing the red bars. Very soon you will start seeing the red bars. Okay, so once it has confirmed it fully, you will start seeing red bars appearing here. So which means around there it will be crashing around there. So you should exit the market immediately you see this. So this can actually keep you for a very long period of time in the market. Okay, you can try this out on demo accounts and you will be happy that you actually watch this video. Okay, try it out and contact me, and let's see where you are getting it wrong, so that I can correct you and make sure you perfect your skill before you go into your live account. So I will be stopping here for now. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, I remain Samuel Opeola. God bless you.